Welcome to hell. We try to get a golden knob so we can continually degen. Anything good? Anything good? Cigarettes, crystal symbols the base value permanently, then immediately restock the store. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Chastity belt. That's actually not bad. Oh. Boom, boom. Anything? Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Cigarettes go crazy. Come on. Come on. Alright, well. This? Damn, it costs 2 now. How many rounds I have left? Deadline number 1, 2 rounds left. Gotcha. Like it. 7 spins. I need to trigger my... Yeah! Oh, come on. Yes. Alright. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Doable. Alright. 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 Maybe 7. Whatever. More cigarettes. One more option of telephone. I have 0 tickets. I'd get 2 if I ran that. It's 3 spins. I only need 50 more. No. No. I got it. And it's gonna jump up to 200. I gotta do my 7 spins. Come on. Yeah, give me extra spin. Nice. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Okay, I got this. 60, 240. Yeah, I'm good. The last spins are just for fun. Funsies. Zero rounds left. I have money. But then equip. Now I just need the skull. 480. Gotcha. Ooh, Marathon. Whenever you pick a phone ability, ban it. I don't have enough of that. What do I got in here? Cherries manifest, double the value of that, increase the value of patterns with 3 or less symbols by their base value. Ooh. Review, I could not. 14. For every 15 tickets you own, like, no. Red shiny rock though. It's worth grabbing. Alright, let's do a 3 spin. Ooh. Not bad. Yeah, that was worse than that could have been. Ooh, one more free spin. Yeah. Cigarettes would be nice. 14, I can get that 480. Yeah, whatever. Alright. Times 2, better than nothing. Do some 7 spins. Oh, I haven't been using my button. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. That's why we chose that. Should have done it from the beginning. Don't look at me! Alright, we're good for now. Oh wait, I didn't get my... Oh, I was thinking of my previous one where I had a coin. Lucky coin. Anyways, that gets me, I get 4... Skip, yep. Double your ticket, Clover set money to 0, halves your base chances to manifest lemons and cherries permanently. Then apply devious trait. Activate all other current. So I would get a 0.12, a 0.12, a 1.2. But I would get a ton of... Okay, be right back. Halves the ones manifest. Play. Alright, gimme. Take this. Take this. Oh, ancient coin. Yeah, not lucky coin, ancient coin. Not bad. Alright. How much waste do I got? 8. Boom, 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 boom. Heart go boom. Okay. And yeah. End of turn. Boom. Give me one more spin. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I got 2 spins off that. This that triggers next. Easy money. Easy money. I need to fish for a skull now to make. Okay. I got 2 rounds left. Never punished. Alright. Golden knob. Golden knob. What do I need? What do I need for more success? Peppers. Peppers would be nice. I got 2 tickets left. I can still pay that off easy. Interest rate. Interest! Anything else? Anything else? Build interest. 5% chance for token modifier to apply to 1% retirement trigger plus 7 pounds during max receipt. 5% for the token modifier to be applied to any symbol. Raised by 1% every time 7 more triggers. That's not bad with the build I got. Token. Scoring a symbol as modifier earns you half of the current interest. This is actually the build. This is... Oh, okay. 2 rounds. Okay. I got this. And then I'll trigger my coin. Nope, no coin trigger. Boom, 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 boom. You make my heart go boom. Spend it together, you and me forever. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, easy money. Yeah. Right. My tickets. This is a good run. This is a feasible run. And then, oh, no trigger, no coin. No fool either. Oh, good. Oh, it did trigger. Yeah, it's end. It's an end. It's an end trigger. All right. Yeah. I'm flush with cash, and I should be able to beat the other one instantly. Deposit cannons now. Yeah. You hold your horses. I do that. I get this. No. Deadline, you don't want to make a deal. If you're interested, deposit coins before starting the slot machine. Easy peasy. But I don't want to miss out on this. Cherries manifest more often. Lucky Charms at the store. Restore our charges on. Lucky Charms at the store are discounted too until the next restock store. Be right back. Bricks, lemon. Oh, lemons. But I made that reduce. Damn it. Damn it, bricks. Printer when you see the eye, another, no. Capture penny whenever you see at least one pattern with 5 plus symbols. Spin double the value of all patterns until the end of the round. Ooh, end of round. Oh. It's only concurrent. Consisting. Anything that would... Is this it goes down over turn? Yeah, it goes down every turn. Whatever. Diesel locomotive. Increase all patterns base value permanently if the previous 3 spins had no rewards. Throw away. Patterns multiplier. Patterns multiplier plus 2. 3% chance of sync 6. Throw away. It's not bad, but whenever 3 patterns trigger during a spin, you earn equal to current interest. Brother! Okay. If only one pattern shows during the spin, transform its symbols to the most valued symbol. Throw away. It's not bad, it's not bad. Free tickets. Free tickets! What do I not need? Every 7 spins, like that. Throw away. I don't need that. Equip. Maybe you see this one pattern with 5 spins. Okay, that's not bad if I can get that early. Or even last round, I think it's still not bad. Throw away. Let's serve this purpose. Boom. Cherries. Alright, yes. You're thinking, why would you do that? Just to get a memory pack? No, it's because it's actually better off. Get more tickets. Save cash is not really that the best. Ooh, immediately. Oh, triple the value of 7 of these 7 diamonds. Manifest more often. Add the trait symbols. Add the adventure symbols. Symbol to a random charm. Be right back. 9% chance. Trigger. Pattern 5. Trigger. Not bad. I mean, that's just good overall. Throw away. Give me the tickets. Oh, I'll think about that. Potato battery. Never 2 spins in a row. Run over. Charge. Throw away. I'm only running once. Single. Ooh. What can go? Put in drawer. Equip. Getting paid my interest out is best. Leave that in there for now. 2% chance for chain. Modify. Yeah, spin it. Nah, lucky charms at the store. Discounted by 2. Double jackpot value. Honestly, I'm a betting man. How much I need? 56. Alright, pay me out my interest. 3,000. Yeah. Go for 7 spins. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. No, you want it. Ooh, we hit that. We hit those. Okay. Oh, come on. Well, still, I get the cap bonus. Awesome. Come on, more plus signs, more plus signs, more plus signs, more plus signs. Yes! Trigger, trigger. Once, twice, 3 times. Twice only. That's the only way we do it. I need more interest. Because that's going to disappear. $56. Oh! Oops. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. I goofed. I goof-trooped. Oh. Increase charm space by 1 permanently. Increase the value of patterns by with 3 or less symbols. Increase value by 1. No, I'm not relying on that anymore. That's only early game. Give me more charms. Give me lucky charms. Change spirit transfer. Build. Have a ticket. Throw away. Cancel. At the last spin didn't score any patterns. That's not bad actually. So that 666 is gonna kill me. I don't trust it. I never trust those. What's this again? Gambler. 1 for you restock every deadline. Demon's Horn. Never 666 appears. Luck plus 10 expend. Ah! Nope. Just free tickets. Let's do this. Hey, triggered for the rest of the round. Come on, trigger more. Come on, trigger more. Yeah. I mean, I guess it serves a purpose. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, I didn't hit my button! I screwed up. That's gonna cost me. That's gonna cost me immensely. My interest pays out more. Nope, nothing. Nope, nothing. 40, no. Alright, guys. Well, that was game. I screwed up. Yeah, 6s. Yeah. Ooh, diamonds. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm not hitting any of my... There you go. Really? Whatever. Oh, baby. That's how you do it. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Triggered twice. 3 times with the cat. I think we're gonna be alright. I think we're gonna be alright. So, remember, don't complete this. Just so I can have a little extra money. 4 grand. It's 20. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then I could fish. Ooh, gambler. Whenever samples patch, you can equal to double your current interest. Ooh. Go away. Get you. Have a chance for a chain lottery to apply to any simple degrees 5%. Nah. Grants 1 jackpot next round at the slots machine. Then discard this charm. What goes in a desk? What goes in a desk? What goes in a desk? Where are you? Put in drawer. We get these. We get these. Give me... Oh, whatever. Whatever. Yeah. That's how we do it. This is how we do it. Oh, the 6s would fuck me right now. Are you gonna do it to me? Oops, said the F word. Family friendly. Oh no, I didn't put my button. Oh, it's whatever. Ooh, 1, 2, Yeah. And the cat. No 7 trigger though. Alright. Money, money. Boom. Grab this. Equip. Blammo. Yeah. Money. 8,000. 8,000. 1,000. Minimum 168. Just so I can increase my interest. No, no, wait, floor? Rerolls all symbols that are not inside pattern. Free and deadline, nah. Nose. Nah. What do I have? W coins. Oh. Alright, that's fine. I can do that next round. How's the base chance of. Alright. Towards the end of the round, I'll double my money at the end. That's not bad. 2% chance for a modifier to be applied, raised. Like symbol with this modifier earns. That's not bad. 2% chance clover. It's not bad. Okay, last round. I'll buy it. I'll sell these. Have extra queue, extra tickets. Ooh. Not bad. Let's do this. Alright, this is guaranteed golden knob now. Only way to lose this is if I suck. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that's enough. That should give me my cats. Yeah, my cat trigger. That's all that matters to me. Oh yeah, cat trigger and this trigger. Nice. Oh my god, I triggered like 4 times. 5 times. Jeez. And the 6s only get rid of the money I gained that turn, right? That would be 164. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 6. Yeah. It's only them. It only takes the amount of money from me from that turn. From this turn. So I'm still good. Oh, come on. Come on. I don't know what I'm fishing for. I don't even know what I'm fishing for. Oh, triggered. Alright, good enough. 7s? Yes! All my triggers. All my fellas. Alright. All my fellas. All my fellas. Double your coins, set your tickets to 0. Or I'm greedy. No, it's 6s. Oh god, okay. That was gonna be 6s. The way it slows down like that scared me. Money. Cash money. Like I said, the only way to screw up is if I'm bad. If I'm bad. Come on, give me more friggin' plus signs. Whatever. I triggered both my cats. Yeah. What are you gonna do? I got money in my hands. What are you gonna do? Double my coins. Throw away. Pay up. What are you gonna? Yeah. And what else? Give me that money. Whenever you buy a charm, doesn't take space, but ban it. When you discard abysses, unban that charm. What are you gonna give me? Just $5 charms. I'm not buying. Increase the value of patterns of 4+ symbols by the base value. Lucky charms in the store discounted by 2. To the next restock. It's not bad. Just easy 1 cost. Shoe. Throw away. 7. Throw away. Diesel locomotive. Throw away. Throw away. Honestly, can I eat something that would only pay for this? Does this have to be on my board for this trigger? Whenever. You describe business. Can I be sitting in my drawer? So if I go like... Oh, no, I know what to do. Okay. Put in drawer. Buy. Put in drawer. Equip. Negative -1's 2. This effect randomly generated plus this parameter. No. No. Damn, I need 2 tickets. It's worth 1. Oh, my thing degraded. Never mind. I should have sold it before it completely degraded. Free reset. Sure. Nah. Ooh, speculative. Ooh, one trick pony. Anything that doesn't take space? Okay. Put in drawer. Buy you. Oh, I could have made it free. Whatever. 5 tickets. Give me double amount. Yes. Twice the amount of memory packs. 2. Ooh, first line. Not bad. Okay. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, bro. Golden knob. I'm out this bitch. Double my money. Come on. I know you have it in here. Double my money. I know. I mean, I'm swearing because I'm winning. I'll never be right back. I'm gonna win anyways. Watch me make a buck. Nope. Come on. I didn't have 500 grand. Chill, dog. Trigger the horse. Goddamn you. You oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. I have all the money. And that's how we do it, folks. That's how we get the golden knot. Oh, spin anyways. Oh, watch this. Oh, okay, it's gonna be 6s. If it was gonna be 6s, I was gonna freak. Anyways. How long has this game been out? I played it to oblivion on the first whatever. And now we escape. Oh, what? He's not gonna let me walk out? Don't close the game. Ooh. Give me my golden knob. I worked hard for this. I deserve it. Obtain the golden knob. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. And so, we bought our way out of hell. Clover pit. Skip all that bull. Oh, what was that? Oh, new run? Yeah. I knew you'd have come back. Looks like we're done with you. Ooh, trophy. Golden Alright, well, that's the end of the run. Thank you for watching.